Okay, welcome to lecture 2 of FM, and we are still continuing with properties of fluid. So first of all, without wasting any time, as I promised you that I will solve you the challenge question for you. So let me solve the challenge question. Given in the question was height was given. No, height was given as 25 centimeter of kerosene and relative density was 0.8. We have to find the H equivalent. Wait. This was given. And what we have to find is H equivalent of mercury. Basically, I will just denote it as Hg. Wait. We have to find, this is the kerosene. I will represent this by K, kerosene, and H is Hg. This is mercury, as you all know. This is to be calculated. So it's just a simple formula, and I will not go, I will just say you this, that you have learned in a previous classes that P is equal, wait, I am just proceeding with the solution part. This is the solution. Now I will do a solution. P is equal rho GH. You're familiar with the formula. No need to learn this formula, but you should learn at this moment. I will teach you how this rho GH came. So don't worry about that. For the instant, consider that P is equal to rho GH. And as I said, we are considering everything on the surface of the earth. So remember, in fluid mechanics, we represent, since gamma, since it's on earth, so rho into G is considered as gamma in fluid mechanics. It's just a symbol of rho into G. So we can, it's the other name you can say. So we can write it as gamma into H. But I will not go into that complicated part. I will just solve it simply. So first of all, we will just know gamma. What is the value of gamma? Gamma is second lecture. One more thing. First, you have to observe this, that this density what I am consider. See, here it is 25 centimeter. So always focus on this, that what it is given. So this centimeter is given. So don't like that I said SI unit. So always you have to prefer it. We are concerned with the answer, then after answer we can convert to SI unit. So this centimeter is CGS unit, and in CGS unit nothing has happened, that is just centimeter comes into play instead of kilogram. So if you know this relation, sorry, I'm sorry about this, it's MKS. SI unit takes all the standards, but here we are mainly concerned with mass, kilogram, and seconds. So this meter, and in other countries this FPS concept comes into play. FPS. So I will just tell you that don't worry with the this part. I will just tell you that if FPS is also there, then there is no need to worry. See, what is here? We are taking rho as, here what is written? Rho as 0.8. Into 9.81 will gives the gamma vertex, that is 1.958 kilopascal. Okay, so first of all I will solve in this part, and then I will explain you that if something different is given, like this concept is given, then I will tell you that what we have to do actually. HM, so we can lose at this that rho GH, suppose this is the pressure level. Wait, now I will teach you one thing that is very important. Say this is the pressure, this is the level of, the pressure will be same. I have learned in previous classes that we use mercury, basically H. I will not count it, we will study more in manometers, and there is water. So if we use water, we have to take a huge height of, I guess, 34.2 meters, or we will calculate it, and this is something like 760 mm or 740 mm sea level. We will just calculate it. So basically, due to difference in the density, since the density of mercury is 13,600 kg per meter cube, and this is 998 kg per meter cube, you can observe this difference, that is this difference and this 760 mm of Hg. So you can see the large difference in it. Okay, now I will tell you that why this difference comes. Pressure is equal to rho GH. It's simply rho GH. So we can also write this as rho can be changed, rho of liquid. Here what is given? I have liquid. We have given a kerosene, so I will take it as kerosene. Because at a particular altitude level, as you guess, the 0 meter sea level, the pressure will always be same, no matter we are using whatever liquid. Okay, so this is an important concept. Rho into G into H. H we don't know, it's just a constant, and that is yet to find out. That is kerosene. We can also write this as rho. What is difference here? What we have to calculate? Here we have to mercury. Okay, Hg mercury into G into H. And what is H here? H is mercury. No doubt in this. So what you have to do is simply we have to do this as rho. What is rho here? Rho of kerosene. Wait, one more thing. Here we are CGS. Don't forget this. So our final answer will be also in CGS. So I am taking as centimeter as a reference unit. So that's why this since 25 centimeter was given, so I can take this as rho of the is 13.6. I will tell you why it is 13.6. Don't worry about this. Sorry. First of all, let's solve the given patterns. The kerosene is given. So I will just solve what is known. There is a solution. This is a solution. Rho of kerosene is, we have given as H. Okay. So as per the gamma that I showed you, gamma is nothing but P is equal to gamma H. Wait. P is equal to gamma H. Okay, and gamma is nothing, that is P is equal to rho GH. We can also calculate by this formula. Okay, don't worry about this. I will just calculate by this formula only for the easier concept. Rho of kerosene is, as it is given, as 0.8. This we know that G is 9.81 into H kerosene. H kerosene is given as 25 centimeters. Is given in the question. Okay. And rho G, we know that it's 13.6. We are talking in CGS unit, not MKS, so it's 13.6 into 9.81. We are taking on Earth, and into Hg. This we need to find out. So if we calculate this Hg, H will be, this will be 1.958. This calculation we have to do. 1.958 upon 13.6 into 9.81. Solving this, it is solving after this, it will get this. So after Hg will comes out to be 1.958 1.47 centimeter. Okay, we got the answer centimeter. As you know, it's very easy. In centimeter we have to just do one thing, 1.47 divided by 100. You know this relation, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, isn't it? It's so easy as this. So it's equal to 0.0147 meter. And now I will tell you, the Indian student may skip up this part and proceed, but if they want to see, they can also see the unit conversion part. It's very important. Wait, I will just clear the canvas. So I have converted this CGS we have done. I have told you how to convert it into MKS. Okay, so I will just check out the relation. Wait, I'm sorry, I don't know the relation, but I will just confirm the relation. That is, if FPS we want to convert it, that's more important. If FPS, we are when we use FPS, that's why I am more concerned about FPS. So I will just find out FPS. I know first relation, that is CG, that relation is very common, that 1 inch has 2.54 centimeter. Okay, and this centimeter only I convert into feet, and 12 inch is equal to 1 feet, isn't it? So I just want to convert it. So 12 inch is equal, we can write this, that 12 inch is equal to 2.54 into 12. This 1 feet is equal 30.48 centimeter. Wait, I will just calculate it. 2.54 into 12, 2.54 into 12, that is 30.48. Yeah, it's exactly 30.48 centimeter. And I have to just calculate the relation. Now the thing that is seconds, no issues, and this gram comes into play. So that's very easy. No, sorry, we have converted this grams and pounds. Okay, so first of all I will just notice the what is the how many pounds is equal to 1, how many grams is equal to 1 kg, anything. So 1 pound yeah. So remember this for the Britain students, that 1 pound is 0.454 kg. Okay, those who are studying in Britain, they should remember this, as this is the concept behind this. So 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kg, and this is considered a gram. So it as is that 1 pound is equal to 454 grams. Okay, I know this relation. Now here what was the answer is? Answer was our 1.47 centimeter. So in this it will be very easy, that 1.47 bit. I will just verify it. I will just write the relation. So we will use this formula again. Rho GH. P is equal to rho GH, and it is rho, my query, sorry, rho what is given, kerosene into G into H, kerosene, is equal to rho Hg into gram Hg into, sorry, rho GH Hg, sorry, gram, oh sorry, G always remain the same, and this is Hg. So what we have to do is, this is 1000, okay, and we are interested in FPS. So this is MKS and we are interested in FPS, and here it is CGS. So we know the relation, that is, first of all, write the relation. 30.54 centimeter is equal to CGS to FPS is equal to 1 feet. Here there are two things that is changed. This is F and pounds, and we know that .454 gram is equal to 1 pound. Fine. Now if this we know, then our work is done, no issues. This is the most important thing. Okay, so what we have to do is, here we have been given that height is 25 centimeter. So we know this relation. So 25 centimeter is 1 upon 30 point, sorry, it's 30.48, sorry, I am really sorry, it's 48, 30.48, not 54, 30.48. So 1 upon 30.48 into 25. Fine, there's no doubt in this, I guess. So it will be, wait, let me calculate, 1 upon 30.48 into 25. This will be 0.8202. Okay, that is fit. This is the first relation we got. Remember this relation. Basically means we got that height of kerosene we got. Wait, let me do it more specific. Wait, I will just a bit of no. Wait, I will solve in a better systematic way. Clear canvas. Clear canvas. We have been given that 25 centimeter, that is given kerosene, given. Relative density 0.80, no issues, but that is also in CGS, so we have to worry about that also, and nothing else we have to worry. This is the given quantity. Then it is rho GH, this is the given, and the relations that we know is 30.48 centimeter is equal to 1 feet, and I think so, yeah, one more thing, 454 grams is equal to 1 pound. This relation we know. FPS, this relation is must. So first of all, what we will do is CGS into, we have to convert this into FPS first of all. So centimeter into foot. Okay, so 30.48 centimeter is equal to 1 feet, but here the given is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter is, wait, I will just use a 25 centimeter color only so that you are more clear. 25 centimeter is, after calculation you can see that it is 0.802. It's approximately, not equal to, it's approximately. And one more thing, one thing that we have converted into foot, that is now pounds, that is kg. Okay, so here kg is given or not? No kg is given, no issues. Density, wait, we have to give it in density is equal to mass upon volume, is it is. Okay, now here we have been given as density is 0.8 in CGS. mass in CGS and volume in CGS. Okay, so what we have to do is 0.8 is equal to mass in CGS. What is mass in CGS? Now we have to convert it into FPS basically. Now what we have to find is mass in FPS, volume in FPS. This is a primary target. So that we get the rho in, this is the CGS one, and we want to get it in rho FPS we want to get. And H is equal to P upon rho G. That's we know this. Fine. So this is here, that will be taught in further classes. So H is equal to P upon rho GH. So here we can write this as H rho G. No issues. P upon rho GH. So here rho will be equal to rho GH is equal to P, and here we know this rho, so I will replace this by P upon GH because we have these terms. Fine. So let's replace P upon GH. We have this. Remember this, we have found out this, so I will little bit rub it off. Okay, if I see, but I will do like this, it's better. Now we know this that 25 centimeter mass upon volume. Okay, no issues. Now what we have to write, P rho CGS, we can write this as P CGS upon G. Wait. This rho is P upon GS. Yes, correct. H is equal to P upon. Yeah. So rho P upon GH. Fine. This we can write. And we are more interested in, so we can convert it. P is CGS, so it is just in centimeter, and this is given as 25 upon 9.81. Sorry, pressure is given or not? Yeah, pressure we have already calculated. Okay, that was given. We have to replace this because pressure is also not given. No issues. What we will do is, this is to be calculated. This is to be calculated. So this we don't know actually. So we will just write P FPS upon G, and HFPS we know this. What we know is HFPS is equal to 0.8202. 0.8202. Fine. And we have got this, and this P rho G rho CH is I guess yeah, it's given. 0.8 is given to us, so this is 0.8. So since it is 0.8 in this, and we will find out that what it is actually value, and this will give us the rho FPS. So it is rho FPS will be something like 0. Here this G is 9.81, so it will be P FPS. Sorry, I will just use the same color. P FPS upon 9.81. And one more thing, we are already forgetting one thing, that this G is 9.81 meter per second square. Okay, so here we have to convert this into also feet. This is equal to 9.81 1 meter. Then how many meter is equal to this 30.54. So this 30.54 centimeter, 30.48 centimeter is equal to 1 feet. So basically 1 meter is equal to, we're considering 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to, wait, 12 inches equal to 1 meter is equal to how many feet? Okay, so this, what we have to do is we have to just convert this 9.81 first of all, 9.81 into feet. Okay, so our primary concern is to 9.81 feet. We will just convert this 9.81 into feet. So 0.3048 meter is equal to 1 feet. So 1 feet is equal to, it's done I guess. Here is 1 meter, we will need to find out 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 0.3048. So 1 upon 0.3048. So G is equal to 3.28 feet per second square. Fine. And here we are only doing interested. This is 3 point, it's approximately, not exactly, but it's approximately 3.2808. 2808 means I can consider it as a 281. So it's, we are this is 2 interested places. Okay, fine. 3.28 meter per second square. Fine. So what I will write here is PFPS. This we will continue here. This will be PFPS upon 3.28 into 0.8208, 8202, and which will be 3.1 upon 3.28 into 0.8202, 0.71. Okay, this will be, this is 0.8. Okay, and H is equal to this row FPS is, this row FPS, wait, I will just clear it off because it has created a lot of confusion. That is, it's getting dirty, so I am just cleared it off. I've just got it. So it will be PFPS, that is rho is equal to rho kerosene, that is given. It is 0.371. pounds per square weight feet square. So since I will calculate it that P, now we are just focused on given concepts. We have just find out, just note down in this, what we have find out is (0.37). G is equal to, we know this G is equal to 3.71 meter per second square. Sorry, G is equal to 3.28 meter per second, so 3.28 feet per second square. We know this concept FPS, and one more thing, 8202, and this is 0.8202. So this is this 25 centimeter is equal to 0.8202 feet. Fine. This we have completed with. So this is the primary relation we should remember. That's it. Now your work is done. P. We have already find out P in CGS unit that it is 1.858 kilopascals. Fine. And P is equal to gamma H. Okay. So gamma is nothing but 0.80 into 9.71 as it is in okay. So and P is equal to rho GH, that is rho GH, where I will use the formula rho GH only for simplification. P is equal to rho GH, and here we are interested in kg per meter cube. So rho we will find out, into G we have got it 3.28, into H we have got it 0.8202. So what we have to find out is this rho kerosene we know, that is 0.80 centimeter per kg, sorry, gram per centimeter cube. So converting into foot, that is 0.80. We know this primary relation, 454 gram is equal to 1 pound. So nothing matter is 1 pound is equal to 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 454. As easy as that. So 0.80 upon into 1 upon 454 per centimeter cube. So centimeter we know that 1 centimeter 30.54 2.54 centimeter. No, I will just go to feet because we are interested in feet. So 30.48 centimeter is equal to 1 feet, isn't it? Fine. And here that is centimeter is 1 upon 30.58. We can write it, no issues. 1 centimeter. So we will just write it as 1 upon 30.48. Sorry, I'm really sorry for this. 30.48 cube. Fine. So I will just do it that 0.80 into 1 upon 454. This will give us this, and divided by centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter is equal to 30.48 centimeter. So 1 upon 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter. 1 upon 30.48 cube. This is 49.89. So rho kerosene basically, after calculation we will get it 49.897 kg per gram per meter cube, kg per meter cube. Then it is kg means pounds per feet cube. This is the 40.897. So it's as easy. So now what we have to do is, this is the what we wanted out. Now I will just rub it off. This we will rub it off. Now we are just concerned about P is equal to rho GH. So it's now I guess now the formula is very simple. P into rho, P is equal to rho GH. So it is rho G into H. Remember this pink is for kerosene, because I will not write it again and again, so that I will facing issues. Kerosene, and this red is for Hg symbol. Okay, is equal to rho GH. So we know this that P we already got P as 49.897. 49.897 pounds per foot cube. Now we have to just equate with this that was the kerosene one. Now we are more interested in find out the Hg. So P is equal to 49.897. This we have got it. So 49, this pressure will remain constant. That's why 49.897. Sorry for disturbance. 49.897 is equal to rho GH. So 13,600. So rho Hg, rho into 3.28 H. H we need to find out. Then rho Hg also we need to find out. So no issues. We will again do it. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So this is, we know that 13,600 kg per. Now I will tell you the shortcut. Enough of the calculations, but I will tell you the shortcut. We know that rho of Hg is 13,000 kg per meter cube, isn't it? 13,600 kg per meter cube. Now simply what we have to do is 13,600 into this we need in pounds. Just convert it. 1 kg is equal to how many pounds? So we know that 0.454 gram is equal to 1 pound. More interested in 1 kg, so it will just like 454 gram is 0.45 kg. So more interested, so 1 kg is equal to 1 upon 0.454. It will give you the answer in pounds. So it will be 13,600 into 1 upon 0.454 divided by meter cube. So 0.3048 meter is equal to 1 feet. So 1 meter, so 1 feet is equal to here 1 meter. So 1 upon 0.3048. That is 1 upon 0.3048 cube. Fine. So no issues in that. 13,600 into 1 upon 0.454. This will give the pounds divided by this 1 upon meter means 0.3048. Fine. Sorry for the delay. Eight 48.2. This is our FPS one. Fine. So what we're going to do is, we know this one. Which is, I know the figure. 49.897 is equal to 848 point. Sorry, it is just calculations. This we have calculated 848. No issues. 848.257 rho G we have calculated 3.28 into H. So H we will give it in FPS. So we will get it in F foot only. So let us calculate how much it is. 49.897 divided by 848.257 into Next. Yes, now it's fine. I'll do it again. 49.897 divided by 848.257, 848.257 into 3.28 into 3.28. That will be 0.9 fit, and we can find out 1.5. And one more thing is, the I have just done this lengthy calculations to just tell you the concept, and the easiest way to determine is this for all length is to just clear the concept. That's it. And if you want a one line answer, I also have that also. This is 1.47 centimeter. Just convert it into feet. That's it. And you will get the answer. Just convert, and then it's a FPS. Fine. Fine. That's it.